In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own Discord theme. Personalizing Discord is a great way to give the app a look that matches your style. While the official version of Discord offers built-in appearance settings, you can customize the theme, colors, and overall look using the options available in the app. I'll walk you through everything step by step. To get started, open Discord on your computer or in your web browser and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main Discord screen, look toward the bottom left corner and click the gear icon to open User Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Appearance section, then click on it. This is where Discord stores all of its official visual customization options. When the Appearance page opens, you'll see several theme options. Choose the one that best fits your preference, whether it's light, dark, or sync with your system settings. Selecting a theme immediately updates the way Discord looks, allowing you to preview the changes in real time. Next, look for the color theme settings if they're available on your version of Discord. Accent colors let you personalize buttons, highlights, and other interface elements. Browse through the available colors and choose one that matches the style you're going for. As you make changes, you'll instantly see how they affect the overall appearance of the app. Depending on your version of Discord, you may also have additional appearance options, such as adjusting message spacing, chat density, or other visual preferences. If these settings are available, feel free to experiment until you find a layout that's comfortable and easy to read. Take a few moments to preview your customized theme before leaving the settings page. If something doesn't look the way you expected, you can always switch to a different theme or choose another accent color until you're happy with the result. Keep in mind that the official version of Discord only includes the customization options provided in the Appearance menu. You may see third-party themes or custom modifications online, but these aren't officially supported by Discord and may introduce compatibility or account safety risks. If you want the safest experience, it's best to use only the built-in customization features. Once you're satisfied with your changes, simply close the settings window. Your selected theme and appearance settings are saved automatically, so the next time you open Discord, your customized look will already be applied. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created your own Discord theme using Discord's official appearance settings. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,